In just 4 minutes, you will learn 20 shortcuts that will transform the way you use your computer. From accessing your copy history into snapping between your apps. Let's dive right in. If you have a huge document and you want to find a word in it, all you have to do is press Ctrl F, type in the word you want, hit enter, and it will show you every place the word appears. The fastest way to close a file is by pressing Alt F4. Keep in mind that this ends the application task from the Task Manager. Speaking of Task Manager, you can open it by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus S on your keyboard. Another very known shortcut is Ctrl C and Ctrl V to copy and paste something. But something that you might not know is Ctrl Shift V, which lets you paste copied text without any formatting. Another copy paste amazing feature is Windows V, which shows you your copied history. To enable this, press Windows I on your keyboard, which will take you straight to your settings. Then go to Systems, scroll down, to Clipboard, press on it, and toggle Clipboard on. For creating folders, you can press Ctrl Shift N. If you want to rename that folder, you can press the file once, press F2, and the rename bar will pop right up. But what if you open a lot of apps and you want to get back to your desktop? All you have to do is press Windows plus D on your keyboard. If you close the tab by accident, and I know how annoying that is, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus T on your keyboard, and the tab will pop right up. Most of you already know that Ctrl A selects everything, but what if you want to select specific file or folders? Just hold down the Control button, select the files you want, and then release the Control button. But what if you want to select a row of folders? All you have to do is press the first file you want to select, hold Shift, and press the last file you want to select. You can even combine the two by pressing Ctrl on the first folder, pressing Ctrl plus Shift, and selecting the last folder. If it's really annoying to you to copy paste a file in order to move it and go back and delete the old file so you don't have a duplicate, you can right click on the file and cut it, or press Ctrl plus X on your keyboard, go to the new location you want the file to be in, and press Ctrl plus V on your keyboard. If your maximized browser just took over your whole PC, just chill out. You probably pressed F11 by accident. To be fair, it's good for watching movies though. Or switching between your apps. Hold down Alt Tab and navigate between them by pressing right arrow or left arrow on your PC. Once the app you want is selected, release the Alt key, and it will open the tab you select. Or instead, you can use split screen. For doing this, hold down Windows key and press right arrow or left arrow on your keyboard, depending on where you want the window to move, then release the Windows key. Then another tab will appear to let you choose your second screen, and you will have a nice split screen ready to go. If you unlock in your PC without closing it, press Windows L on your keyboard, which will lock your PC without losing data you were working on. For taking screenshots, you can press Windows plus Shift plus S on your keyboard. An overlay will appear, letting you select the part of the screenshot you want to capture. All you have to do is drag the mouse and select any part of your screen, and if you are on Windows 11, the screenshot will be automatically saved to a gallery. And if not, it will be saved to a clipboard, which basically is the copy history, which means you can paste it anywhere on your PC. This is a special gift for the guys made out of the video. How to restart your graphics driver without closing your PC. To do this, press Windows Ctrl Shift B. You will hear a beep sound like this. This is useful if you are in the middle of the gaming session, your screen suddenly freezes, or if your screen went black. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.